1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu two-door sport coupe or two-door hardtop. Error correct, 283 underneath the hood. That's paired up with 3-speed manual transmission. Shifter in the column, power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille and bumper. Chrome looks good up here, headlight surrounds. Red on red. Another thing to remember with this car, it is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at all the still pictures of this car on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There'll be undersides, interior, engine bay. So I got American racing wheels, polished as you can see. And take a look down the length of the passenger side of this car. Pretty free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's one little spot kind of right down here in this door seam. There's a little touch up if you can even see that or not. A little spot right there. Then the red vinyl interior, bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. This car will also come with a car cover. I'll put that back in the trunk. One on the floor right over here. That will go back in the trunk for the next owner. Rear chrome. Bright work, also look in good shape. And as you can see, paint shows well in this one throughout. Will you come across, maybe a little minor touch up or a little spot here or there? Yes, but overall it does show well, as you can see. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see pics in the trunk. You're going to see an amp and a subwoofer back there, as well as those 6x9s in the rear deck. So it does have an aftermarket stereo system that's been added, and that is in working order. I'll show you that in a bit when we get to the interior and start it up. Let's take a look down the driver's side here first. From the rear to the front. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. Take a little closer look at this interior. Kind of a two-tone brick on red vinyl, I guess. And free of much of any real major rip, tears, holes. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats. Looks good. As you can see, seatbelts intact up front. No real rips, tears. Just a little spot right there. Very minute, but overall, good looking interior. Headliner, also in good shape. It's fired up. Let's see how that V8 sounds. I have had the wipers work, blower fan, and radio. Again, shifter in the column. Make sure we're in neutral. Pioneer stereo system.
Hard work, an honest day's work, and a fair deal for everyone.
Working order.
The Custom Touch. Visit CustomTouchConstruction.com. That's CustomTouchConstruction.com. The Minnesota Department of Transportation is hiring.
All right.
The Spring Mankato job fair.
Give me an idea how it looks on the interior. Easily, nicely, that door closed. Listen to this. Good sounding car. It's kind of a throaty little rumble. With that 283. Again, error correct. 283 also. Let me pause this 1 second. Pop the hood. Let's check that engine bay out and we'll wrap this video up. All right, get a good look at the underside of the hood here. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. Smooth runner. Good looking engine bay too. Again, error correct, 283 V8. Paired up with that manual 3-speed transmission. Battery disconnect here. Power steering, see on there. Be a fun one to drive in your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take it out and have a little fun. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu 2-door hardtopper sport coupe. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle. Very nice, bright red outside, red inside, even red carpet. What struck me about this car was how easy it started and purred, and it's very quiet, like a new car. As you can see, it is 3 on the tree in a 2-door, which to me is a little uncommon. That also functions like new. The clutch is great, the shifting is great, speedometer works excellent, fuel gauge is reading 3/4, the rest are lights. Our wipers do work.
Every Wednesday for cheese.
There's a Pioneer sound system in here and it actually sounds really good. I'm not getting a whole lot of wind noise, which is great. Get around this corner. We're not getting any kind of vibrations or anything like that. It's nice and smooth. I like go on the wheel. She stays perfectly straight in the lane. I always like that. Very comfortable car. Check out this 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle at UniqueClassicCars.com.